बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। माय नेम इज़ असद बिन मज़र। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 स्टार्ट करते हैं। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द अननोन इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स। यहाँ पर नीचे डिफरेंट ट्राइंगल्स गिवन हैं और हमें अननोन्स निकालने हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं पार्ट ए से। पार्ट ए में हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल गिवन है। ट्राइंगल में एक एंगल हमारे पास 90 डिग्री है, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास। राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल क्योंकि एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का है तो इस वजह से राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास। तो गिवन ट्राइंगल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का, एक 39 डिग्री का, थर्ड एंगल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। तो एज वी नो डैट द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स of a triangle is 180 degree. It means that angle A plus 90 degree plus 39 will be equal to 180 degree. So to find the angle A is equals to, we have to subtract the sum of these two angles from 180. So angle A will be equal to 180 minus the sum of angle 90 plus angle 39. So it will be 180 minus 90 plus 39, it will be 129. 90 plus 39 will be 129. So when we subtract 180 from 180 minus 129, so it will be 51 degree. So angle A will be of 51. This angle will be of 51 degree. This is of 90 degree and this is 39 degree. So the sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. Moving to part B, here we have another triangle. We have three different angles and one of 64 degree, one of 68 degree and the other is 2B, and we have to find the third angle which is 2B. So as we know that the sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. So we have to find the 2B. So 2B is equals to 180 minus the sum of two angles which is 64 plus 68. So it will be 2B is equals to 180 minus 8 or 4, 8 and 12, 6 or 6, 12 or 113, 132. So 64 plus 68 will be 132, and when we subtract 180 minus 132, so it will be 48 degree. So 2B is equals to 48 degree. We have to find B. So for B is equals to 48 divided by 2. So it will be B is equals to 48 divided by 2 will be 24. So it will be 24 degree. So the angle B, so B will be 24 degree and this angle will be 48 degree. So this is 48, 64 and 68. These three angles will make 180 degree and B will be 24 degree. So here we have third part. We have a triangle with three angles, one of 3C, one of 4C and one of 40 degree. We have to find C. So in this triangle, as we know that the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So C is coming in two angles, so we write it like 3C, the sum of 3C, the sum of 4C and the sum of 40 degree will make 180 degree. So it will be 4 plus 3, 7 degree. 7C is 180 minus 40 degree. So 180 minus 40 will be 140 into 7C. So C will be equal to 140 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14. So C will be of 20. The value of C will be 20. So it means that if C is 20, so it will be 60 degree and it will be 80 degree and will be 40, and 80 plus 40 120, 120 plus 60 it's 180. So the value of C will be 20. Now moving to part D, we have a triangle with three angles and all the angles having the unknown value which is D, and we have to find the value of D. One angle of D degree, one angle of 4D and one angle of 3 degree. So we can write it like that: D plus 4D plus 3D will be equal to 180 degree, and the sum of these threes is 4D and 3D and 1D, 4 and 4, 8D. 8D will be equal to 180 degree, and to find D we have 180 divided by 8. So it will be 180 will be divided by 8, it will be 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 0. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 45 are. Then 45 cannot be subtracted from 2. So it will be D will be 145 is subtracted divided by 2, it will be 22.5. So D is 22.5, or we can write it like 22 whole number 1 upon 2. In fraction we can also write in whole number 22 whole number 1 upon 2, or 22.5. The value of D will be 22.5. Moving to part E. Here I think I have okay, in this triangle we have 62 degree, E degree, and this is unknown. Here no angle is written, so but we have given that it is an isosceles triangle. Like this line is equal to this line, these two single lines means that this line BC is equals to AB line. So AB line is equals to BC line. These two short lines means that these two lines are equal. It means that AB is equals to BC. So we have studied in the last question that if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to these sides are also angle. It means that if BC is equals to AB, so the angle opposite to BC is also equal to the angle which is opposite to AB. So it means that the angle opposite to BC is 62 degree, and the angle opposite to AB is this, it is also will be 62 degree. So we can write it here, this is also I can write like that as AB is equals to BC. So angle A is equals to 62 degree, which is also equal to angle C. So we have angle A and angle C, both are of 62 degree. So we can write this that we have to find angle E. So to find the angle E, we have to subtract 180 minus we have to subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree. So it will be 62 plus 62. The sum of two angles will be subtracted from 180 degree. So it will be 180 minus 62 plus 62, 120, 124. When we subtract 180 from 124, it will be 50, 56. It will be 56. I have to check. Yes, it is 56. So angle E will be of 56 degree. Here we cannot write D as the degree, because D is not the angle. The angle will be of 3D. So here is the angle, so we can write it like degree. Here is another part of angle. Angle F is given, but this angle is also unknown, and there is no representation of these two angles here. Either these are known or these are represented and by any variable, but we have given these three short lines, and these three short lines means that these three sides are equal. If the three sides of the triangle are equal, it means that it is an equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle, the sum of all the angles in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are same. It means that it is F degree, so it is also F degree, it is also F degree. So in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. So we can write that it is F plus F plus F will be equal to 180 degree. So we can write like that, F plus F plus F degree will be equal to 180 degree, or we can write it like that, 3F will be equal to 180 degree, and F is equals to 180 degree divided by 3. So it will be of 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle, we have to remember that in an equilateral triangle, all the angles must be of 60 degree in an equilateral triangle. So in every type of angle which is equilateral triangle, the angles of the equilateral triangle is always all the angles are of 60 degree. So here's the question number 3. We have done it with the 6 parts of different triangles, and we have to find the unknown values. So in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.